Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the system. Do these essential steps now. Close heavy background processes that steal CPU and I/O. This frees threads for the game. Once done, switch your power plan to high performance to prevent CPU throttling and install the latest GPU driver and game patch because driver fixes often remove stuttering micropauses. Make sure to reboot after updates. That clears driver state. These first actions remove most trivial causes and let you test whether stutter persists. Now you dive into measurement and targeted changes. Run MSI Afterburner and RTSS to log FPS and frame time. You need evidence of spikes before changing settings. If frame time spikes match CPU cores, reduce CPU-bound options like draw distance and physics. This spreads load more evenly. If GPU saturates, lower shadow/texture quality. Once you identify whether CPU or GPU is the culprit, enable frame cap or frame time smoothing to prevent micro-tearing and uneven finish by addressing storage and system interference. On HDD, defragment large game files. On SSD, ensure trim is enabled so streaming textures don't stall. Exclude game folders from real-time antivirus scans and disable unnecessary virtualization features that can introduce latency. Once done, test in a clean boot profile to rule out background services. If stutter persists, roll back to a prior stable GPU driver or restore the game config from backup. Troubleshooting tip: when stuck, replicate the problem with logging active so you can target the exact subsystem causing pauses.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.